And I'm making tea, or rather, okay, this is my makeup stuff. I'm gonna make, I saw this chocolate ish. I'm gonna make the chocolate one, cause yo, it's cold. I wish it was not cold. Don't mind the brush. This is my baby hair brush gel, and yeah, I'm gonna make coffee, chocolate. This is another one. This is actually the one that I was supposed to use. I don't know why I put it on the bed. And this is me again. I need to change my other clothes. I think I'm just gonna bath, dress up, and go for dinner. Since it's cold, I'm literally having a cup of chocolate. Look at my view, guys. It's so beautiful. Very beautiful. But it's cold. Yo, I'm even shivering. I can't hold the phone properly. Sure. There we go. Yeah, the air is actually very, very nice and fresh. Yep. I wish it wasn't this cold. I wish it wasn't this cold. If that's the last thing that I can do, call me a fan. So I'm just dressing for dinner. I had to actually take this off. And I had to blow my wig, but I don't have a comb, so I literally used my gel brush. That I used a toothbrush to blow my wig, and I want to put this in. I don't want to wear this. I want to wear the wig. I'm trying to match an outfit together because it's cold. I'm going to put on a jacket. I want to show you how I'm going to tuck in my hair. Okay, so I'm going to tuck in my hair. This is the reason why I love braids, because they're so easy to work with. I mean cornrows, because you can still wear your wig. Ow! You have cornrows. Twist it over. So like this, my wig is on properly. I'm so sorry, there's like bad lighting here, like really, really bad. So like this, my wig is on. And it's securely on. So I'm just quickly gonna do my eyelashes because I'm actually really late.
Sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me.
think I'm done. So this is my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ugh, I'm scared for my phone to fall. Let me walk away so you can see. Just gonna add a jacket on.
A few moments later.
So I'm about to have dinner now. I'm having a shot of Jameson with ginger ale, and that's a starter right there. I didn't pay for that, they give it to you for free. It's actually very nice, and this is my view. It's so pretty, so pretty. Yeah, as you can see, I'm sitting all alone. Yes, big girl. Yeah. My nail actually broke. My cousin made it. Did my nails in the north, and let me enjoy this. So dinner is here. I'm literally having a salad. It looks so yummy. A salad with I think smoked chicken. Very nice. Can't wait to dive in. So guys, I just finished having dinner and I'm about to go to the room. Dinner was super, very nice. I enjoyed it. This place is nice. Yep, very nice. Elevator. I think we're going to ground floor if I'm not mistaken. Those are nice. I took pictures. The bartender was nice. The waitress actually. Bartender / waitress. Very nice. Yeah, but I don't know where my direction is. Oh, there's even a nice seat here. Oh, it's here. On my way to my room. Mine is this one. Funny enough, I'm actually tired. Though I didn't do much, but it's so dark in the room. It's so dark in the room. I'm gonna put on the heater because it's cold. Is it on? Yeah, it's getting on. The bed is a mess. I'm a messy person, but I can be messy, but I can still clean up, right? And I always carry a whole lot of bags. There's my shoes. A whole lot of clothes because this is a menu. I was actually supposed to leave it behind to take it to the kitchen. I'll just put it here. And the blow dry that I used today to blow my hair with a toothbrush. I need to show you guys. Where is that toothbrush? Where is that toothbrush? I used this toothbrush for my baby hair to blow my wig because I forgot my brush at home. And this is how I look like. I'm going to take this. So I just need to clean up. And this is the smart detector that I use actually for filming. Like it rotates, it detects movements. Like if I move, it will follow me, and that's where I put my phone with a tripod, and it will follow me. For example, if I put it somewhere there and I'm walking around there and turning, it will follow me. For some of you that were asking, or that are gonna ask, who is filming me, since I said I'm alone. Yeah, now I just need to actually like take a shower. Ooh, my charger must not burn. Need to take a shower. It's cold, but you know, Windhoek is colder, so I'm used to the cold. And I just brought my sinus medication with as well. I have other ones, I always carry them. So I'm gonna take a shower and clean up the room. And yeah, tomorrow I go to another destination, which is also alongside the beach. And I know the beach is like really busy. I'm trying to show you guys. I think it's like, is this lighting not working? Yeah, this light outside. The beach is busy, and by the way, this place is very safe because they have like light beams right there. They put them on. Once nobody can cross there, even though it's open, no one can cross and come inside. The alarm will ring and the security guard will come. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see, but the sea is so busy. Nice breeze air, everybody's asleep, most people are asleep. We just finished dinner now, and yeah, I'm not sleepy. I sleep very late. I sleep very late, so I'm so wide awake. Oopsie. And I'm gonna take a very nice long shower. At least the heater is here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna put it this side, close to where I'm sleeping. I just need to pack away everything and take a shower. Yeah, and take a shower, cause I'm so dirty. I even forgot my face cloth. I'm literally using this makeup remover to bath with, which is something else, but yeah. The Rack restaurant. I forgot to make a video of the menu when I was in the restaurant. I had it in the room. You can see, like, it's really affordable compared to Windhoek. That. This is actually what I had for dinner. With smoked chicken is 118, and so many things you can choose from, like really affordable. And then I think it was a lot. Those are extra food, wine. I don't have the drink menu with me. I've showed you the hot stuff and wines and stuff like that. This is a kid menu. Yeah, very nice. So guys, it's about bedtime. It's really cold in Swakop, so that's why I'm wearing my hoodie, and I put on a movie which I'm actually not really watching. So I'll be editing a video, and then I sleep and wait for breakfast tomorrow. The day was actually really nice. Yeah, so good night. And oh, by the way, they really have like a whole lot of blankets, and I'm also having a heater by me. There's like this. They have 2 extra blankets in the carpet as well, and then there's also a throw here and this heavy blanket. So you will be sorted in this beautiful lodge, beach lodge. Very, very nice. Like, I recommend it. It's a very, very nice lodge. Yeah, like I can hear the sea breeze, like the sound. It's so nice. It's almost like rain, but it's not really rain. It's like, you know, that heavy rain. It's a nice, beautiful nature feeling. I feel like it's healing, and you can sleep peacefully. Yes.
Trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this.